It's your first cruise.
I like it.
I'm glad I'm here.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is awesome.
I'm glad you forced me into doing it.
Crazy. This is just crazy town. Honestly, can you imagine growing up around this your entire life? Again, people are like, well, how do you know how to do all this stuff? Let me present to you why. Well, here we go. We're going to actually, we got the brake fix on this today. Yeah, we're going to actually pull it out. Yeah, get that transmission learned, sorted, and maybe cruise it, which is going to be awesome. I like my square body, but I don't like it as much as I like this. This is nice. Then like 2 or 3 years ago, we were talking and you're like, what would you put in?
Yeah.
Yeah, what would you put in? Like, well, if it was me and I didn't have my budget, I would say this, and this. And that's exactly where it is. It's
Put in an LT1 with a 6L90E or an 8L90E transmission.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, in the nicest square body. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, period. You don't need to say anywhere. Just period. So this is the original dash, right?
Original dash, and then
Dash pad.
we stripped all of it right down to the metal.
Yeah.
And refoamed it, and then put the new leather interior.
And then leathered and stitched.
Yeah.
And then the guy who did it, he had all these done at like the university or?
Yeah, the Red Deer College did it with their CNC or their
3D
3D
printer. Yeah.
Yeah, did all that.
Yeah, those are
Speakers and
really
stuff.
nice, man. Absolutely beautiful. And then he did the seat.
Yeah, he did the seats and the cup holder and
Gosh.
the arm and the door panels too.
Yeah. Yeah, the door panels are absolutely just gorgeous. It's such a classy build.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah, because they were all polished.
yeah.
Well, kind of brushed aluminum door.
Yeah. Yeah.
I just kind of like how that ties it into the seats and stuff now. So
I really like how this is finished on round eyes.
yeah,
Like on mine, it's the way skinnier, and the pocket just, I don't know. It's not like that. Like, there was a lot of thought put into this stuff on these,
Yeah.
So they kind of lost that a bit.
yeah, and I got all that stuff through. I think it was Scott Super Trucks.
Okay.
I think had a lot of the trim and all the new pulls and
Yeah. And so the suspension on this is the Ride-Tech Street Grip,
yep.
right? So this is the first time you've experienced it.
Well, I got Ride-Tech in my 63.
Oh, right. Yeah, yeah.
But it's not the
Totally different.
fiberglass rear leaf.
Yeah.
It's coil-over rear suspension in the
Right.
63, right? So,
Yeah.
but this ride's way nicer.
Yeah.
Than the
It's-
63 by far. So
I can't believe it. Like, we've all driven newer cars and sports cars, and man, oh man, like Ride-Tech's got it sorted out so well. If you had some big sticky tires like mine, and carve some corners hard, actually these 15s will hold on okay. It's nuts going through the Okanagan, and the thing just corners like this. There's no roll, there's nothing. It just goes.
just shifts so nice.
Oh, it does, yeah. And it'll firm up. Yeah, nice. That transmission, like, it's just bang, bang, bang through gears, and it just keeps pulling and pulling. It keeps it in that power band so nice.
Yeah. Shifts nice.
Yeah, it's just real nice. Well, it better for the,
How many hours we've been freaking tuning the transmission.
yeah, exactly. It's a pretty high-tech unit. That works.
It's up like 120, like nothing.
Yeah, like nothing. Yep.